although they were telling me the features you could do with
佢知敲門啊嘛，佢係敲門。No，唔知。